Hi, welcome back. In our last video we made a banana bread recipe, and some ideas for any leftover banana bread mix would be to do this. So we have a little bit left over. I have a baking tray and a sheet parchment, greaseproof paper, non-stick. We take this mix and we can just add that straight to the baking sheet, and we're going to spread it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to bake for, it only takes 5 or 7 minutes, and we're just going to bake quickly a thin layer of banana bread mixture. And try and make yourself a rectangle, because what we're going to do when it bakes and cools is we're going to make a chocolate and banana roulade using chocolate mousse and fresh bananas. It's just a really great, fun, simple dessert. But just an idea of what you can use with the leftover mix. So something about that big is what we're working with. You only want it about a 1/4 inch thick. It will rise. And we'll put that in the oven, 350, at around 5-7 minutes. So we've let our banana bread cake sheet cool, and it's on the parchment paper that we baked it on. I got a fresh sheet of parchment paper here, and what we want to do is turn that over. And because it's on the parchment, we can just peel that paper off with it baked on. And then we want to flip it back over to its flat side again. So I've made some chocolate mousse. We place that on the roulade. And here we are making our chocolate mousse banana bread roulade. You don't need too much, but you need enough so it binds and it'll stick and hold the banana that's going to be in the middle of it. I'm going to peel the bananas and put that in there. And you need to leave an edge open, so then we can close that off, and I'll show you how to do that. We're just going to lay 2 bananas, enough just so they're inside the edge of the roulade, right in the middle. And we take our paper, put your fingers and hold the bananas in place, and we can roll it all the way over. Squash it up a little bit. And this is forming our roulade with the chocolate mousse in place. And we want to get that real tight. So the spatula comes in handy. You grab the bottom sheet and you can push back on the roulade and knock all the air out. Keep it nice and tight. And then you just roll it up. Fold up the ends. Now we're going to refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours before we slice it. So we've taken our chocolate mousse banana roulade out of the refrigerator, and now we need to just unwrap it. The banana bread sponge cake has firmed up, it's cooled down, with the chocolate mousse in the fridge, so it's all going to hold together very well. All you need to do is slice it, and you're going to find the banana in the middle, and you can slice it into just an inch thick, nice sized portion. Place that on your plate. I've taken some of our chocolate mousse, put it in a piping bag. We can give the top of the roulade a rosette. And banana and passion fruit sauce just go really well together. So that could be an accompanying sauce. You could use a strawberry sauce, raspberry sauce, it would all be very good. So that's our chocolate mousse banana roulade. To find the chocolate mousse recipe, you can find it on our cooking channel.